Hey guys, I never use tips. I'm trying something new. I prefer sculpting. Oh yes. And I'm gonna use some water decals. This is not a tutorial, this is just for fun as usual. I always sculpt my nails and my clients. I like it better. It's just that you put it in water and then it's gonna either separate if you leave it too long, or it'll still be stuck to the paper, but after like 45 seconds you take it out and you can slide it right off, right onto your nail. It's that easy. I never wear my nails this long, but it was fun. And I love the way long nails look. You can do more, it's more space to create and just go crazy. So at first I used my custom glow-in-the-dark acrylic colors that I made because I knew I wanted to encapsulate these. So I used my clear IBD builder gel, and when I put it on, I turn my nail upside down for leveling, and it comes out perfect. Everybody loves the sunshine. I got these cute, colorful builder gels from AliExpress. Now it is time to do my other hand. I've never done this before, just trying something new. I'm gonna do a poly gel fill-in on top of my acrylic and see how it goes. I don't do tutorials, but in this case, I haven't done this enough to recommend it or tell people what to expect. My channel is for inspiration. I want to inspire you. My next video, I'm going to show you guys how I did my own canopy bed, my own pond. Just wait. Do-it-yourself projects are therapeutic, just like doing my nails. And when you see it all come together, it's like boom. So many beautiful colors to choose from. I love color on everything. Thank you. I did a 3D heart on my nail. I ended up taking it off. Usually I just go with the flow, so sometimes I change my mind as I'm working. I put clear builder gel in my mold first, and then I went ahead and put some gel colors and I mixed it with my dotting tool just to give it a swirl marble effect. I started adding a little razzle dazzle. I love the colors, and I made a little tiny teddy bear and capped everything with some clear top coat for extra shine. I'm happy with the outcome. These are so long, so I don't plan on keeping them long, just for fun. It's very cute. It's a lot going on. Just how I like stones, it. Oils, colored gel color. Glow-in-the-dark acrylic. I'm 100% addicted to glow-in-the-dark acrylic. If my nails do not glow, it's like, why? I got my idea for my marble looking teddy bear from Femi Beauty on YouTube. I love her page. She always does like extra cute designs like this, busy, and that's my style. That's the kind of stuff I like. I love looking at it. It makes me happy. It's colorful, and that's that. Boom. Oh, candy nails. Just letting you guys get the feels of these, and I'm gonna take me a bath because, you know, doing your nails is so tiring. So much hard work. I love a good herbal bath, and you guys could use any kind of fresh or dry herbs. And I changed my nails because I couldn't wear them long for sure, so I had to Freak my stilettos, also known as my favorite shape, and I love it. I also got these stones from AliExpress. I did not know that they glowed. Some glow in the dark and lime green action. Creative heaven, okay? All right. If you guys made it this far, I love you. I'm glad you watched my little nail session. Stones and glitter and candy and teddy bears. I love it. I love nails. I love creativity. I love shiny things. Just all of it. Lovers, remember to vibrate high and have a very, very good day. I love you. Heartwork House is out, baby. Girl, that was so cute. Thank you.